Hello and welcome to my channel 3D Arena. In this tutorial, I will show how to set up universal or common Vray render setting for all purpose. If you want to get quick render, architecture visualization, product visualization render, it will be helpful. So let's go to start. Open your 3ds Max. This is my file. I am going to apply universal Vray render setting here. Go to rendering menu. From rendering menu, click on go to render setup. From render setup dialog box. So this is common render tab, and for under assign renderer production, click choose renderer. From choose renderer, select Vray Advanced 3.1. I am using Vray Advanced 3.1. If you have higher version or lower version, it doesn't matter. Click OK. Vray render engine applied just beside common tab. Vray tab. Go to Vray tab. From Vray tab, click on frame buffer rollout. From frame buffer rollout, get resolution from max. Check off this, and from preset you will get render output size, different type of output size. From here, click on HD 1080 or 720. It will depend on you. So select output size and check this one, separate render channel. It will help you to save your render file. And from click here and set your location where you want to save your file. Get your file name like 01 and save as type. Which format you want? Different type of format is here. I am choosing TIFF format. Okay, now save and click on OK. And go to global switches. Global switches was done. Get it default for universal render setting. Under image sampler, initializing rollout, click and select adaptives, and filter, use Cat-Meldrum filter. It will help you to give you sharp image. And adaptive image sampler rollout, fix this. Default is okay for universal render setting, and global DMC is okay for universal render setting. Under environment rollout, check this one, GI environment. It will help you to get environmental light. And beside Vray tab, go to GI. It is very important tab. Click on or check on enable GI. And primary engine, select irradiance map, and secondary engine, the light case is okay, default is okay. And under irradiance map, primary engine, your current preset, different type of current preset is here. You can select anything, but depends on your computer configuration or your time. If you have less time, you can choose very low or medium, maximum medium. Or if you have time or final output, you can choose a high, medium. So this is our common render setting. I am going to select low or very low. This is nice. This is okay for universal render setting. And go to light cache rollout. From light cache rollout, different type of option is here. Just change subdivides 1000 from 1000 increase to 2000. It will help you to better quality, little bit better quality. And later you will increase when you get final render, then you will have to increase the amount. And other thing is default is okay. And now go to settings. Almost default is okay. Under settings tabs, almost others option is default is okay, except dynamics memory limit. It will depend on your computer total RAM. If you have 32 GB RAM, limit this 16,000, just half of your total RAM, and other thing is okay. And if you want to distribute render, or if you have 2 or 3 computers for distribute rendering, you can check this one for distribute rendering. So this is universal render setting. This is very easy. Keep watching my channel. Later I will show details renders. Later I will show details render settings and grammar of every parameters. Thank you.